My team telling me now, as we move away from the elections very quickly, that the former President Jacob Zuma is, my understanding, arriving at court. I'm not sure if that's correct, though. Siphamandla, hello to you. You were suggesting earlier with your legal eagle eyes that you were seeing security, which would suggest the former president was there, but he wasn't meant and planned to be there. Let me check in with you quickly. What are you hearing?
5 minutes ago, the former president of the Republic of South Africa, Jacob Zuma, walked in here at the Pietermartizburg High Court. My colleague Jacob Zuma will show you behind me. It's his security detail. He is inside there, of course, consulting for now, waiting for proceedings to get underway. But he has arrived at the Pietermartizburg High Court. 2 days ago, his foundation sent out a tweet saying, well, nothing was confirmed. There is no need for him to be physically present. But in fact, they said he was going to send an attorney, or his legal team was going to send an attorney to note the judgment. But I can confirm to you and our viewers that former President Jacob Zuma is at the Pietermartizburg High Court. He walked in about 5 minutes ago, flanked by his security detail. Earlier on, we did allude to the fact that it is unusual to see the security detail of the former president in Pietermartizburg High Court if he is not going to show up. The fact that the security detail was here sweeping, and I can tell you on my right, the security detail is manning the main entrance to the High Court here in Pietermartizburg Courtroom A. Earlier on, we did have we were able to get some visuals of his motorcade arriving, and we were also able to film his arrival here. We asked him how he was doing. He waved at us, signaling that he's okay. But of course, you know that he's been unwell. He's been to the hospital. So he was walking here at the Pietermartizburg High Court. But he is inside that room that he's been now consulting. This is significant because the former president...
Siphamandla, I'm going to come in very quickly there. I'll tell you why I'm going to come in. Sipha, just to interrupt you, I'm going to ask you while we look at visuals of the president arriving, just please ask your camera person just to turn on your handheld microphone. I think we're picking you up on the built-in microphone. I think your handheld is not working. We're rolling visuals. You sort that out very quickly. So we've just been hearing from Siphamandla Goge. Those visuals coming through a little bit earlier from us. We can see the former president arriving just a few minutes ago while Siphamandla sorts out that microphone in his hand very quickly. So important we make sure we can hear him clearly. Now, as Siphamandla did mention, you may have heard it, that a few days ago we weren't expecting the former president to be arriving in court today, because today, speaking to experts, is an administrative issue. It's an issue in judgment dealing with the application by the former president to have Billy Downer, the advocate, the prosecuting advocate in this case, removed. Siphamandla, I think I'm back with you, and I think your microphone is on. If you can hear me, let me come back to you. Today was supposed to just be all about Billy Downer and the judgment on whether or not he could continue prosecuting the president. So we weren't expecting the president to be there. So the focus now is going to be on the president in court a little bit later. But Siphamandla, I'm going to come back to you a little bit later as we watch one more time the former president, Jacob Zuma, arriving in court. He wasn't meant to be there, but now we know he has arrived. At proceedings of that court case getting underway, we understand about 9:30 this morning, according to Siphamandla. Of course, live coverage here on DSTV 403 and also eNCA.com.